If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Targets getting smashed, Kaspa to 10 cent. There's a lot to dive deep into in today's update. Make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget, we're on the road to 7k and we're under 250 subscribers away. So if you could, make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. Let's get on with this update. So we finally saw the break of our resistance levels. This is what we were actually anticipating in the last update last week. And with that break of these two yellow lines, it means that we're going to head to those shorter term targets. These targets are being smashed. We can see our first set over here between 5.5 to 6.5 cent is what we were saying in the immediate last video. If you want me to teach you how you can do this for yourself, so you don't have to rely on me, use the links in the description down below. Message me on Twitter or head over straight to the website for more information. At the end of this video, we will go into it a little bit more. So what's now occurring? We've broken this high. We can clearly see we've been many months above this high, which was back in April, and we've been consolidating underneath the August high over here for some months now. Now, as we had broken the 1 fib level, it means that these targets will eventually get met. That's why 6 cent was one of those targets mentioned in the last update. However, there are some higher up targets. Just as we said at the beginning of this video, Kaspa is going to 10 cent. We do have a 1618 target at 9.5 cent. It just sounds better to say 10, but yeah, 9.5 cent is the actual technical target. That is where the 1618 is standing. Now, we are on the way to there, but we need to dive in deep to what is going on in the immediate short term. So we'll go back to where we were in the last update, and if you remember from about last week or the week before, we had a bullish divergence over here. This is the 4-hour time frame. However, this signal appeared on the 2-hour time frame, and we can see that this signal appeared after reclaiming the golden pocket. So let me just get my tool over here. We burst through. It was important after that to confirm this area of support. Could have come down as low as 4705. We came down to here to the 618, and then after that on this second bottom created a bullish divergence, which is just a disagreement with the chart and my indicator that I use that signals for this. And with that, we've actually seen eventually the break of the 51900 area and the 5.4 cent resistance over here, and with that we've gone and met all of our targets over here. So all our targets are being smashed. This was only possible because of this bullish divergence that appeared down here. Now, I know in that video we said that bullish divergence, we can only really take it to the next level of key resistance. So there was a very nice trade over here. I think it was well over a 3-to-1 that we analyzed, and those are the sorts of strategies that I use in my personal trading. Again, wait until the end of the video if you want to hear more about learning how to do it just like me. I've got multiple options in place for everyone. So what's happened is we've broken through that resistance and the second layer. It's unlocked these levels, and while we still maintain above the level that flipped us bullish, which is this area right here, this breakout right here is what's flipped us bullish, especially when we confirmed its support. Then we saw a break of the 1 fib level, meeting our targets. However, hold above this, which is 47015. I'm not suggesting that we have to come down to there, but you are allowed to, but we just need to find support above it. So any higher lows that we see above this low, which is our most recent low, just need a higher low above that, and we actually have some further targets ahead from this set of fibs over here, topping out at about the 8 cent mark. It's the other set of fibs that were showing the range break of the April high, I think it was, which was back in August time, sorry, that this happened. It's just when we made this new high, we usually come back to the old one as support. Came a little bit lower, but you can see we were also above this golden pocket. Just need to hold above that, which we held. Can you see we need to hold this level? We created a higher low above that point, and with that it's taken us eventually back up to the resistance where we saw a new high that we have to mark out, but we actually didn't really stay above too long. I think we had a daily candle close above, but then the next direct candle closed back underneath this previous level of resistance that we've been holding since August, and the level that we've been saying every single day in our analysis and saying that and suggesting that this needs to be broken in order to get these explosive moves. And we can see very quickly, although every single day it said, oh, Kaspa's about to explode, it's about to explode with huge gains ahead in every single title of every single video, it's because we were anticipating it. Now, I might give a title saying about to explode, but to explode, we need to break certain levels, and the longer we maintain below these levels, it just gets more annoying that we're saying these in the titles. But it is correct, because again guys, we were signaling that a break of this would cause explosions. And look at that, from the break of this level, we've now seen a pump of 24%, 25% to current price, but a 31% break of this high. Guys, this is absolutely incredible. These are the explosions that we've been talking about on the channel. Remember, everything changed. If I zoom in over here, everything changed when we broke through this 0.5 Fibonacci. And we were explaining it day to day in those videos, how there were targets down at 4 cents, 3.9 cent for Kaspa around this area over here. And we were on a journey down there while we were beneath this high, and especially the golden pocket over here. We had validated those lower targets, but as we pushed through the 0.5 Fibonacci and confirmed its support, I suggested to everyone that things are changing. We've now invalidated those targets, and all we need to find is a bullish signal that appears above the golden pocket to send us to these targets. And I was able to show you that 2-hour bullish signal over here that showed a bullish divergence, which is disagreement with the chart and my indicator over here. And with that, that was the signal that flashed and that we were waiting for, and that's what allowed us to break out and meet these targets. There are some targets up ahead, but please do understand, any pullbacks that we now have just need to hold this previous higher low over here as support, and we will see further explosions for Kaspa. I hope you packed your bags. If not, use this next dip to do so. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And for those that want to get educated, listen to this right now. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.